everyone, we're going to be doing some hand building today. We're going to be doing these nice cute little dishes. Aren't they adorable? They're great for rings, little stud earrings, little things. I just love them. And we're going to be using these cookie cutters. Oh my gosh. And I found cloud cookie cutters, so we're going to be using those to make these dishes. They're some of my favorite gifts to people. So let's get started. Tell me, what's the best way to use your cutters? I went ahead and did these both, just so that you can see. I used a cookie cutter and pushed into the clay all by itself, and it left a fine shape, and I can use that. But it's a little rough around the edges, and it's a straight 90-degree cut. So I pulled it off, and I'm going to show you that here. Now, I'm going to put plastic over top of the clay, and I'm going to push down so that it's the cookie cutter plastic clay. And what that does, the tension of the plastic as it's being pushed down by the cutter, it rounds those edges for you. So go ahead and use that tip and save some time.
We love the time-saving tip!
Don't we? We do, you know we do. That's me dancing. I know. Horrifying. And they're just cut out, and then I put them in my hand and I push my thumb into it to make it curl up and give it little indentations. So if I can do it, so can you. when you're applying these feet, you're going to add pressure from the top and the bottom. So you're not just pushing down. You want them to really get contact, and you want to move it like this. Maybe move it around a little bit, rotate it as you're moving it, just to make those clay fibers go like that. That's what we want. That's strong. Things like this aren't really strong. And you want to get those seams, when they're sitting on top of each other, you want it to be flush. You don't want some of the seams popping up. So take your time. Go ahead and smooth all those edges. I know it seems like a lot for this little teeny pot, but somebody's going to be holding it in their hands and able to look underneath and all around. So it's really a special little item. So treat it like that. Hey guys, so this is a little bit of a bonus. We are going through and making these adorable little dishes, and you can see the design that's on them. Really pretty, very simple. Now this is one of my bigger cloud dishes that I make. Oh, it's got a little round foot on it, but very similar. Here's another one. I use these all the time. Put rolls, put little side dishes in them, candy sometimes. But let's go ahead and let me show you how I do it. So you can see just how easy this is. Now sometimes you can see I put a little bit of blue with the green. It always makes a nice highlight. So you can do that too. So here it is. It's still drying. Now I put at least 2 coats on all of it. But on some of them I put 3 coats. So I want it to be kind of soft in some places and very saturated in others. And you see the black line can be loose. Keep it loose and don't stay within the lines. You can see that here. And I think it catches your eye more. So don't be so tight in coloring it in. First of all, it's very hard to do. It's nearly impossible, so you're going to set yourself up for failure. And look at this. It's just so fresh. It's fresh and it's got movement. So there's the line and then there's the color that sometimes goes in and out of that line. We are meant to catch those kind of things. It catches our eyes. So we're meant to see that and be attracted to that. So attract the people that are looking at your artwork. And loosen up. Loosen up. Like I did in this video. Okay, I showed you how to do it. Now I want to see what you guys do. Go ahead and put it in the comments. I want to see your artwork. I want to see you try this. So anyway, I'm looking for it. You know why? Because I know you can do it.